Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Introduce, my name is Najansya Rastani Prasetyo from 12 Chemistry 3. I'm going to talk today VCO making practice. I'll begin by chapter 1, preliminary. A. Background. Virgin coconut oil (VCO) or virgin coconut oil refers to oil obtained from coconut milk mechanically or naturally, with or without heating, and without distillation chemically. VCO is functional food that has been circulating commercially on the market and is known to contain bioactive compounds that are good for human health. Different VCO manufacturing process cause the content of bioactive compound contained in it also different. However, in general, high-quality VCO products contain antioxidant compounds, vitamin, and lauric acid. VCO can also reduce levels of cholesterol in the blood serum due to its lauric acid content and high antioxidant activity high. In addition, the VCO obtained through the coconut milk fermentation process ground to contain lactic acid (LAB), which has antimicrobial activity against pathogenic bacteria, namely Lactobacillus platyrum and Lactobacillus thermobacterium. The BAL group is the main group of probiotic bacteria. The term probiotic refers to cells live microorganisms in the certain amount will provide health benefits for those who consume it. In addition, the balance of the good microbiota ecosystem and an increase in the quality of body health can be obtained through the consumption of probiotics. The benefits of probiotics for health and the treatment of disease in humans include prevent and treat infections, enhance and stimulate immunity, prevent inflammation and infection in the intestines, prevent allergies, and prevent colon cancer. B. Report purpose. The objective of this report are 1. To know how to make VCO properly. 2. To find out the benefits contained in VCO. 3. To find out the good and quality VCO. Next, chapter 2, main body. A. Definition of VCO. Pure coconut oil is coconut oil made from fresh coconut raw materials extracted from the oil or its kernel, processed by controlled heating or without heating at all, without chemicals and RDB. Pure coconut oil, virgin coconut oil or VCO, is an original Indonesian processed product made from fresh meat that is processed at low temperatures or without heating, so that the important content in the oil can be maintained. Pure coconut oil is the result of processed coconut that is free from trans fatty acid (TFA). This trans fatty acid can occur as a result of the hydrogenation process. In order not to undergo a hydrogenation process, the extraction of coconut oil is carried out by a cold process. For example, by fermentation, inducement, uncontrolled heating, drying dried coconut quickly, and others. VCO is a processed product from coconut meat and beneficial for the health of the human body. From the result of research conducted by Dr. Mary Ennis, that it's known that VCO is very rich, with lauric acid content ranging from 50 to 70%. VCO is thought to be antiviral and antibacterial, so that it can be used to fight that HIV virus that causes AIDS. B. The benefits of VCO. Some of the benefits of VCO are: 1. Can reduce seizures. 2. Protects skin, hair, and teeth. 3. Good for massage therapy. 4. Proven naturally treatment for Alzheimer's disease. 5. Increase energy endurance. Next, Chapter 3, Methodology Practicum. A. Tools and materials. 1. Tools. For example, large and small containers. 2. Mixer. 3. Plastic. 4. Dry clothes. 5. Tissue. 6. Pipette. 7. Spoon or spatula. 8. Funnel. 2. Materials. For example, grated coconut and warm water. B. Work procedures. Firstly, making coconut milk. 1. 500 grams of grated whole coconut is squeezed and 250 ml of warm water is added. 2. Squeezing is done using clean sari. 3. Measure the volume of coconut milk obtained. Secondly, 1. Coconut milk is placed in a transparent plastic container. 2. The use of transparent plastic containers is intended to make the coconut milk in the container visible from the outside. Thus, the separation of coconut milk with cream will be easily observed. 3. Coconut milk allowed to stand for 3 hours. After 3 hours, the coconut milk will separate into 3 layers. 3 layers. 1. Cream rich in oil. 2. Middle layer in the form of skim rich in protein. 3. The bottom layer in deposit in air. 5. The part used for making VCO is cream. Cream done using a small plastic hose. One end of the hose is placed on the lining and the other end is on the container so that the air and sediment are removed. Thus, measure the volume of cream obtained. Thirdly, making VCO. 1. The coconut cream obtained is mixed using a mixer for 30 minutes. 2. Let stand for 12 hours. 3. Separate the oil from the cream by means of a pipette or in a spoon. 4. The VCO is then filtered with peppers and put into a container and then written. 5. Approx at a temperature of 60 Celsius into 75 Celsius or until lukewarm. 6. The result of VCO are put in a plastic bottle with a lid. 7. Measure the volume of VCO obtained. C. Data and calculation. 1. Preparation, for example, grated coconut, warm water, coconut cream. 2. Implementation, cream volume and oil volume. 3. Result, color, smell, yield, volume of VCO obtained. And the last chapter 4, closing. A. Conclusion. The conclusion, pure coconut oil is coconut oil made from fresh coconut raw materials, extract from the oil or its kernel, processed by controlled heating or without heating at all, without chemicals and RDB. B. Recommendations to recommend in making VCO. Concentration in needed, which must be patient and calm in order to get good and quality VCO result. Many thanks for your attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.